Hey, do you want to learn how to use Google's Veo 3? It's a full step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to go through how to get access to it and also going to show you how to create these prompts for generating, let's say, the monkey or Yeti vlog video that's very popular these days, and the Star Wars Stormtrooper. You can make those videos as well with Google's Veo 3. The best part about Google's Veo 3 is that you get the sounds that are generated with the video. So you not only generate the video, you get the sounds as well inside it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So here I'm on one.google.com. You first need to get the subscription. So you can get for a free, you can get 1 month for free. So you can just click here to get 1 month for free. And if I scroll down, you're going to find that these are the stuff that you can get inside it. With the Google AI Pro, you get 1 month for free for €0. And with it, you can generate like 3 videos per month. Oh, sorry, 3 videos per day with the Veo 3. And with the AI Ultra, I think you get much higher limits for it. So yeah, I've got the AI Pro plan and it works perfectly fine. So yeah, and if you're a student, you can get the Google AI Pro free for 1 year. So you can check your eligibility and you can get it. This is a really nice add-on that they have done recently. If you're a student, get it while it's possible to do it. All right, so once you're done, just click on this try Google AI Pro for 1 month at no charge and sign up for an account. Once you're done, you would need to go to gemini.google.com, and over here, you're going to find this new chat on the top left. Click on that, and after that, it's going to start a new chat. On the right hand side, you can scroll down. You can see this Ask Gemini. This is the prompt bar. You can type a prompt here. I'm going to select video on the bottom. This is going to help us to generate the Veo 3. And you can see here, this says generate with Veo 3. If it says generate with Veo 2, you probably don't have access to it and you need to use some VPN to get access to it. But for now, let's click here and describe the video. So I need to enter a prompt in order to do it. And what I think is you should use something like ChatGPT in order to generate these prompts. So for Stormtrooper, what I did was I said, create a vlog video with 2 Stormtroopers. Make 3 prompt story with voice line, 1 single prompt for each. And this is what it generated. And this created 3 prompts here. All right, so you can see the voiceovers, it added those as well. So what you need to do is copy it from here. So just select it and copy it. And in Google Gemini, you need to paste it in describe your video. Then at the bottom, at the end, you need to include the voiceover as well. So go over here and copy the voiceover part, paste it here, but at the end, you also need to type in Stormtrooper 1 says like this, and again a full stop. All right, once you do that, you just need to press on the submit button on the bottom right in order to submit this, and it's going to start the generation process. I've already done it, so I'm going to show you the Stormtrooper ones first, and this is the one. This is the first prompt that I've put inside here. And this is what it generated. Let's take a look at it. This is over here, this first prompt.
Yo, what's up, Trooper Gang? It's 0600 Galactic Standard Time. Gotta keep this helmet shiny. Can't fight the rebellion looking crusty.
And you can see it looks really nice, right? At first I thought this was a glitch in the video, but no, that's not the case. You see a mirror here, and the mirror just goes away, and we see the Stormtrooper 2 enter in.
Yo, what's up, Trooper Gang? It's 0600.
Yeah, we see the Stormtrooper 2 Stormtrooper to enter in with a mug, a coffee mug. Looks great. This is the second one, the second prompt. Take a look at it.
So, we've been walking in circles for 3 hours. Pretty sure we just passed that same angry cactus twice.
Send help. Or snacks.
Okay, and I was very surprised with that it added 2 moons here. 2 suns, actually, not moons. What am I saying? Okay, you can also see this creature on the top of this mountain. Looks great. And the map is upside down as well. And he's holding a vlog camera that's capturing the other Stormtrooper. And all this was inside the prompt. You can see here, everything was inside the prompt that it created with. And yeah, if you want to download it, you can click over here to download the video to your computer. Again, this is the third prompt. This was from here, this third prompt over here that ChatGPT generated. And on it, you can check it out. I'm going to click here to play it.
Sometimes I wonder, are we the bad guys? Also, I miss the Death Star cafeteria. The burritos slapped.
All right, looks great. I was surprised by it. I was surprised by the guitar in the video. And again, just click here to download the video to your computer. All right. Files in this chat on the top. You can click here and you can see these are the files that are created. So you can click on each of them and you can download by clicking over here and then clicking on download. All right. Now next up, I'm going to show you the monkey and Yeti generations. So to do that, I'm going to show you the prompt that I created. This is to create a 3-prompt story arc. Jerry, a big humanoid monkey with a red backpack, and the Yeti, the white Yeti with sunny yellow beanie and dark aviator sunglasses. So we first meet Jerry, then we find the Bigfoot signs, and later we see Jerry possessed. So yeah, that's what it is. And once you click on submit, it's going to start this process over here. It's going to start this process over here, and you can see perfect. Let's revised 3-part story, and it's going to add the white Yeti and everything. And what it's also going to do is in the prompts, it's going to keep the characteristics of each of these characters in all the prompts. So it's not going to in the third prompt, it's not going to forget that Jerry is the same brown monkey with his red backpack. That way. You just need to copy it from here and take it to Google Gemini and paste it over here to generate the videos. All right, so this was the first one. Take a listen to it.
Hey everyone, welcome to Solve Base. Meet my new adventure buddy, Jerry. Hey everyone.
Okay, sounds good. Now this was the second prompt. I just wanted to make a video where it's like a story arc. So kind of like we find the Yeti finds a monkey first, and then the monkey finds a small Bigfoot's feet or something, and then it would touch it. It would be like possessed, and then the monkey would grow in size and he would start running after Yeti. It would be like a possessed type of a film. So that's what I wanted to replicate. So this was the second prompt that I added.
Bigfoot's real, and we're gonna find him. Bigfoot.
Okay, so this was the third one. And in it, you can see that the monkey is now grown in size and it has this glowing white eyes as well. Take a look.
He touched the glowing mushroom.
All right, you can see that it's very creepy, right? It's really nice, actually. This looks great. And you probably have seen it in these YouTube videos. They have this kind of a monster that's running behind the Yeti. And this is how you can create it. You just need to tell it that there is this possessed demonic thing that's running behind the Yeti, and it's going to make it for you. And that's it. That's how to generate VO3 videos with gemini.google.com. This was the full tutorial on how to use VO3. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Google VO3 or Google related tutorials. So see you there, and bye for now.